YouTube. So I'm about to set up my Samsung Note 10 Plus. So we're gonna do like a fingerprint pattern and face recognition. So first of all, let's go and then do the fingerprints. Just click on continue. So it says set up a secure screen, lock type, pattern, PIN, or password before you register your fingerprint. So I'm going to enter my PIN number. So after you enter the PIN number, it's going to ask you to enter again to confirm it. Okay. So now you're going to put your finger right here on your thumb. Make sure the finger covers the entire sensor. So now you're going to lift up, put it in again. Lift up, and then put it again. Lift up, put it again. So it's scanning a different part of your thumb. So in case you tilt your thumb sideways or higher, upper or lower, so it's going to catch your fingerprint. Get a full scan. Reposition your finger each time to capture the edge of your fingerprint. And then you're going to press continue. So I'm going to do this way, that way, this way. So it says fingerprint added. Add another fingerprint. So I'm going to add another one, which is my left thumb. So you have to wait until it tells you to lift your finger off the finger scanner. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing for the full scan and then click on continue. So it show you the upper part. Now you're going to show you the left. Now you're going to scan your right. All right, so fingerprint has added. And I'm going to click on next. We'll go back. Let's see. Oops. I was trying to do the face recognition, but probably gotta wait until later then. So this, you just need to click on accept.
Log in to a Samsung account to get the most out of your device.
Alright, so this one I'm just gonna log into my account. So after you log in, you just want to go and then check all those and then click on agree.
All right, we're all set.
And then click on finish. So there you go. Cannot sync note. So if you want, let's go and then go to set up our face recognition. gonna go to setting. Probably need to go to biometric and security. So face recognition, which is at the top right there. So I'm going to click on the face recognition. So I'm going to enter my existing password. All right. This is a convenient way to unlock your phone and verify yourself in apps. Your face data is secured by Knox. So click on continue. Are you wearing glasses right now? No. It's trying to recognize my face right now. So it says I couldn't register my face because earlier I tried to film it at the same time. So I'm going to do it right now. Retry. So it says face is register. Stay on lock screen and then click on done. Okay. So now I'm trying to see how fast it is. Gonna turn it off. Okay, you can see the unlock already, but we had to hit the power button. Let me check. Yeah, you gotta press the power button in order for this device to, or maybe double tap it to unlock it. So it unlocked by itself now. It just saw my face. So this is where I'm gonna film it, so you can see if it's unlocked. See how fast? Says press a little harder. Okay. So I believe the face recognition is faster. Let me turn it off. Double tap. And it's unlocked already. So it is much faster than the fingerprint scanning. Okay. Wow, that's fast. So let's go and then go to the setting real quick. And then under setting, you want to go to your lock screen. And then you want to go to screen lock type. So you got to enter your PIN number. And then over here, you could set up your swipe or your pattern or your password, okay? If you want to do the swipe, change to non-secure lock type. Your biometric data will be removed for your security. So anyway, that's how you set it up. I don't want to set up my Face ID or my fingerprint again. And then pattern, you can set over here, click on it. And then you could do the pattern like a U. And then you ask you to continue. And then do the U again. And then confirm. So you have set up your pattern now. So it says remote unlock will be turned on in Find My Mobile, and your PIN pattern or password will be secure, stored by Samsung. So I could agree, but I'm just gonna forget it. And then the other one is the. So I'm gonna. The other one is the password. Okay, you can set up any password alphabetically and then numeric combination, and then you can set up as a password to unlock your phone. But it's going to take a longer time because you can enter a password. Normally password is longer. So yeah, that's it. Well, anyway, that's how you set up your face recognition and your fingerprint ID. So hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.